Okay. I've made videos of all my other spring compressors. I never made one with the overhead cam, and I ain't taking the overhead cam off. And I imagine there's some of you short-haired buttholes who would also like to get away with changing out a valve without dismantling every bit of your timing and never getting it back together. So anyways, I assume that you can buy one of these from Snap-on or somebody, but you sure as hell can't buy one down at the Kragen or O'Reilly or whatever. I actually got this one from Harbor Freight, and I couldn't tell you why. They're the only ones that carry it. But so our new valve is in. I got that sucker. I ain't messing around, so I got that thing taped in with a little bit of crap tape hanging off the edge of the table. That's why the spring and the halo are being reused on the new valve. And what we got to do is squeeze her down to get the keepers in, right? So I put this not to protect the valve per se, but because I need a little pliability, a little. It's not quite level and even, if you catch my drift. Then you're going to want to have this thing, you're going to think you want to have tension is the minute you engage, but you really want this to go smooth and easy, so you keep the tension off, set that sucker, then add your tension with the adjustment underneath, and hopefully we get past that lobe enough to get the keepers in. I prefer regular cam, a small block Chevy, maybe something simple, but I stepped in it with this one, so now I gotta finish what I started. Looks like we're getting there. Ow. What happens here? Stay. That might be it. Flashlight on for 2 hours. I'm going all the way. Let's go all the way. There was a time when something that small did not scare me. Nowadays, I lost one in the top of my shoe when I dropped it, and I spent an hour and a half looking for it on the ground, and finally I got ready to go take a shower, and I found it in my shoe. Don't tell anybody. Get on in there, baby. Well, that ought to be it. There we go. Thank Jesus. Maybe. Well, yeah, see, and it isn't that hard. I'm either stupid or, well, let's just go with stupid. Son of a biscuit. Well, since that went bad, let's do the rest of the bad stuff. See if we can't put the rocker in there. valves are, I mean, lifters are soaked full of oil. The valves are good. Carefully. Where's my thing? Perfect tool for this somewhere, but bang, Bob's your uncle. She's a rebuilt head. All right, that ought to do.